Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get a yearly reminder from your calendar about your best memory or best moment. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your calendar on your iPhone. But if you cannot find any calendar, you just need to slide your screen into the left side and try to find the calendar on your app library. But then if you already found it, just click to open it, and then make sure that you are back in this section and find out the dates that you have for the moments. For example, here I would like to do it the 12th December, and I would like to get a yearly reminder. So here you just need to click this plus button on your calendar, and you just need to put the name of the moment or the event that you want to have. So for example, here is my husband birthday. Okay, and after that you just need to do a reminder all day on the 12th December, and you just need to focus on this repeat, and you just need to go click this part and go click every year, and then you will get a reminder for every year in the 12th December. And after that you just need to go click add. Now you already have your event, and you will receive a yearly reminder for the dates that you already set on your iPhone. So that's the way how to get yearly reminder from your calendar. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.